In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Klaviyo on your Shopify store, the most efficient email marketing tool to boost your e-commerce in 2025. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first need to create a Klaviyo account. Head over to Klaviyo's website at www.klaviyo.com. Once there, you'll see an option to create an account. Click on this button and enter your email address, which will allow you to start the account creation process. After you've input your email, simply click on Create Account. You'll then be prompted to fill out some basic information, including your name, your company name, and your website URL. Fill in these fields accurately to ensure a smooth setup process. With your Klaviyo account ready, the next step is integrating it with your Shopify store. On your Klaviyo dashboard, look for your account name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Integrations. This will take you to a new page where you'll see an option labeled Add Integrations. Click on that and you'll be presented with various platforms that Klaviyo can integrate with. In the search bar, type Shopify and select the Shopify card that appears. After selecting it, you should see an option to install. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your Shopify store URL. Be sure to enter it exactly as it appears. It usually looks something like mystory.myshopify.com. Once you've input the URL, proceed by clicking Connect to Shopify. At this point, you'll be redirected to your Shopify account. If you're not already logged in, it will ask you to do so. Once logged in, you'll need to review the permissions that Klaviyo requires to function properly with Shopify. Ensure you review them thoroughly, and then click Install App. This action will finalize the integration process within Shopify, but there's one last step to confirm everything is working correctly. Return to your Klaviyo dashboard where a prompt will ask you to confirm the integration. Click on Integrate. This action will take you back to the integration settings page in Klaviyo, confirming that everything is set up and connected. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Klaviyo with your Shopify store. Now you can utilize the power of Klaviyo to enhance your email marketing strategies, manage your contacts more effectively, and ultimately drive sales through your Shopify store. Remember, setting up the integration is just the start. Explore all the features Klaviyo has to offer to truly maximize your store's potential. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.